Hi everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of furry companions and why cats are top-tier pets. Ever wondered why cats are often deemed the best pets? It's not just their charm, but also their independence. Cats don't crave constant attention like dogs do. They're self-sufficient creatures who enjoy their solitude. You don't need to take them for walks or buy an endless supply of toys. They're independent beings with their own routines and preferences. As a cat owner, you'll quickly learn that they make their own choices, follow their instincts, and do what feels right for them in the moment. So, if you're looking for a pet that respects your space and has its own unique personality, a cat might just be your perfect match. And there you have it. Thanks for joining me today. If you enjoyed this chat and want to see more pet-related content, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Until next time, stay fabulous!